I like to introduce our esteemed speaker, Dr. Somnath Dhonde, Professor and Head of the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering at ASMS College of Engineering, Pune. Dr. Dhonde has completed his PhD in Electronics Engineering from Marathwada University in March 2017. He has experience of 21 years for guiding us today on the topic Vision, Mission, and PEO in outcome based education. Before joining ASSMS COE, Dr. Dhonde served as a Dean Academics at ASSMS Institute of Information Technology and Autonomous Institute. He was also a member of Academic Council and served as an institute level coordinator for NEP 2020 implementation. Dr. Dhonde is a prolific researcher with the 40 publications in international journals, 2 books, 1 patent, and he has guided over 11 PG students along with 60 UG students for project. Sir is also a PhD guide at Savitribai Phule Pune University and currently guiding the 4 PhD students. Sir has received the grant of rupees 14 lakhs from the AICT MODROP scheme for establishing an AI ML integrating IoT laboratory. So, with his extensive experience in NEP 2020 implementation and outcome based education, Sir is ideally positioned to guide us on the developing effective vision mission statements and program education objectives. Now, I would like to start the session. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you for introduction. A very warm good afternoon to all the participants. So today we'll discuss about the vision mission and the program educational objective in perspective of outcome-based education system. Now I was present while Dr. Fate elaborate the concept of outcome-based education. So I will not give much more time on OB because already sir has explained very well about the outcome-based education. Now, just within the 2 minutes, just explain about OB philosophy. As we know that OB philosophy, it comes OB, outcome-based education, outcome-based curriculum, outcome-based learning and teaching, and outcome-based assessment. And there should have some quality parameter to check the parameter. Accordingly, you have to do the correction and try to see that whether we have achieved OB or not. See, in simple term, what is the OB? It means the destination, and OBE curriculum, it means it is the path how to madams, can I see the full screen?
Yes, sir. Your full screen is visible.
Okay. So the actually on my laptop, 1 minute. Okay, this is one. PPTs are moving.
Just scroll the next, sir.
Actually,
Right now, the OBE philosophy of the department slide is shared.
actually, something problem is there.
Wait a minute, sir. I'll just check with the technical team.
One minute. Something problem is there.
Sir, can you just change the slide now?
Yes, madam.
Not yet, sir. Okay.
One minute.
Sir, we'll do one thing. We'll take a.
एक मिनट हाँ. My slides are moving now.
Yes, sir. It is moving now. Vision, mission, PO purpose. Yes, sir. It's working now.
Yeah. So actually, in brief, what is the OB? OB outcome based education is the OB means the destination where to reach, and the OB curriculum, it is the path, route, and uh, OB learning and teaching nothing but the how you can drive the car, and OBA, that is outcome based assessment, is meant whether you reach to the destination or not. This is what just flow of outcome based education. In OBE, actually vision, mission, program educational objectives, and program outcomes, course outcome are the play the vital role. It is the key constitution of outcome based education because it is the top down approach that course outcome contribute to the PO, PO is contributing to the PO, and PO is contributing to the vision mission. So this is a top down approach. So today's session is based on how we can frame statement for vision, mission, and the program educational objective, because this PO vision missions, they ensure that what happen in the classroom actually align with the long term goal. Our long term goal is our vision. To achieve the vision and mission, so something activity is to be carried out in the course, and obviously it is mapped with the program outcome and the program educational objectives. So this is what the hierarchy of a top-down hierarchy of the vision, mission, program educational objectives, and the POs and COs. After successful completion of this particular webinar, you can able to frame your vision, mission, program educational objective of your own organization and department. Here we'll discuss how to frame the statement for the vision, mission, and PEOs as far as the outcome-based education philosophy is concerned. Now, we know that vision, actually the vision statement, what is the vision? Because individual person must have having some goal in his mind. Organization must have some vision, and according to the vision, that activities to be carried out. So basically the vision statement create the mental image of the ideal state of your organization where your organization wishes to achieve in future. While framing the vision and mission statement, so the statement should be inspirational as well as aspirational statement. Whatever the keywords you are using and whatever the statement you are framing, it should be inspirational and aspirational statement. And it provides the clear picture of the destination of the institute after 10 plus year. Usually it is 10 plus or 10 to 25 years. It may be. So it provide the actual vision, provide the common language to make available shared goal to the all people who are working in that particular organization. It lead to creative empowering organization. It is the map for the organization how to proceed. It develop the trust, collaboration within the institutional member to encourage, motivate to each and every member to achieve that particular vision. Actually, what is the effect of vision? Basically, it will create the positive energy among the stakeholder, among the member who is working in that particular organization. It also provide direction to the take effective decision for the various activities in this institution. It prevent the negative thinking in the organization, and all the team members try to focus on various activities how to achieve the particular vision. Actually, yes, vision statement help institute to take effective decision as the statement become the reference to take any decision. Because to achieve the particular decision, vision, so meanwhile, in between, you have to take the decision. Because as in your general life also, you must have something, your goals. And as a human being, you try to do work to achieve that particular goal. But for as an organization and for as an institution, the vision can create the positive environment in the organization, and accordingly the various decision the organization management member will take to achieve that particular vision. What is the purpose of the vision? Why to frame the vision, and what is the importance of this particular vision? Vision show where are you going and why you are going there. Because you have set something visions and you know that why we are going there. It keep the term member focus. Team member will be focused because they have given some vision. That generally what we can say that the success of any organization based on their vision. You may say that because of their vision, say the see the you can say the example of Tata Motors. That Ratan Tata, it has its own vision. He was a visionary leader, therefore he has expanded his business. So therefore, similarly for any organization, vision is a motivation for all the member who are working under the organization. It attract the commitment and energize the people. It will create the positive environment in the organization. It establish the standard of excellence. And one more thing, it make the unreachable to reachable, because your vision is the long term goal. It is not short term goal. Sometimes we can say it is unreachable, and this make reachable by means of doing some small steps during the process. Basically, this is a diagram. What is the concept of vision? Vision is nothing but present and the future. It is a bridge between the present and future. It is a bridge between the present and future. So vision, you have to frame the vision such a way that you have to find where your organization after 20 years. In that perspective, you have to frame your vision, and this vision, according to the vision, the people's work according to the vision to achieve that particular vision. Something noise is there, madam, please.
Okay, okay.
Madam, please, can you mute? Sandhya, madam, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Please mute.
Participants, please mute yourself.
Okay. So now the importance of vision, I have explained the importance of vision. Now, how to frame the statement? Now, how to frame the vision statement of any organization, institute, keeping OB philosophy in his mind. Actually the vision, this vision statement should include your vision statement should be very broad. It should be forward looking, and it should be inspiring. Whatever the statement words you are using in the statement of vision, broad statement, but here it has something rules I will explain later on. And forward looking, it means what? It describes where the department want to be next 10-15 years, not today. So by 10-15 year, where your organization will be, where your organization looking, after 10-15 years. So that is forward looking or future oriented. Your vision should be future oriented. Your vision should be concise. It means it not be big. It should be concise, around what we can say 30 words or one statement. Why it is one statement? Because all stakeholder should remember your vision. All stakeholder should keep your vision in their mind, and accordingly they have to act. And what is the next parameter? It should be challenging and realistic. Actually, what is the challenging? Because that every organization must know their own strength and weaknesses. So accordingly, while framing the uh, vision, so challenge should be there, but it should be realistic. Now take an example. If a new educational institute, they have framed their vision to compete with the existing institute like IITs. So that vision will not be achieved by any year. So basically, while framing the vision should be challenging and it should be realistic. And basically, the reflective value. It means vision is the soul of your organization because the vision statement indicate the soul of your organization, and it should be the unique one. So generally, what we can use the future tense while framing the vision of the organization. So now come to the point. You have to keep three pillars in your mind while drafting the vision statement of your organization. The scope, it means, because I am here explaining the vision, it may be for the industry, vision, it may be for educational institute or any organization, NGO. Anyone can frame their vision. So for writing or drafting the vision, so the scope should be there in the vision statement. Like your organization is technical education, it is in non-technical education, it is in government agency, it is a medical research, blah, blah, blah. So you have to first see that as per your organization, you have to write the scope of the your organization in the mission statement. Second, it should be the standard. Standard, it means competition. Whom you are competing. Say, excel in global excellence, national leader like. So this term should be there in your vision statement. And always as far as the educational institutes are concerned or national accreditation bodies are concerned, so always accreditation body look for the impact of your vision for the society, sustainable development and ethical leadership. So while drafting the vision of the institute, you have to focus on these three parameters: the scope, whether it is a technical education, standard, global excellence, or impact, ethical leadership, sustainable development. So you have to keep in your mind while drafting the vision of your institute. Now, some common word we can use in your vision statement, say excellence and leadership. Some keywords are there. You may use any keywords. So here I am giving some of the keywords. Now basically say excellence and leadership. So in this case, you can you can use the word like benchmark, pinnacle, center of excellence, globally recognized, premier, leading, distinction. So it indicate your, what we can say, the standard. It indicates the standard of your organization. Like, so what is example? To be a nationally recognized center of excellence in mechanical engineering, to be nationally recognized center of excellence in electronic engineering. So in electronic engineering education, so you can use such keywords while framing your statement. Next, in your vision, a core is your what technical word should be included in that: innovations and research, education, innovation, research, and societal things. These three parameters should be included while writing the vision of your organization. So as far as the innovation and research is concerned, try to use the keyword like pioneering, cutting edge technology, innovative, research driven, transforming, discovering, knowledge hub. So these are some common words you can refer in your vision statement while framing the statement. So take an example: to lead the transformation of digital technology through pioneering research and academic rigor. So you can use these keywords. And as far as the societal and ethical impact is concerned, so here you can use generally keywords: sustainable, ethical, socially responsible, inclusive, value-based, holistic empowerment, community-centric. These are the words. It means while framing the vision, you have to focus on your quality, that is the standard, ethical things, and research and innovation. These three parameters you have to keep in your mind while writing the vision of your organization. So say example: to empower the graduate to become socially responsible leader who drive the sustainable technological growth. So this is simple terms, and these are some of the word bank for framing the vision. Now just by taking the considering the all aspect, I have framed one statement example of how the particular vision for one engineering college to become globally recognized, a center of excellence. Read this: to become globally recognized center of excellence in
What is
engineering
the
education,
exam details, sir?
fostering innovation and ethical leadership for sustainable future. If you look into this particular statement here, center of excellence, it's the standard whom you are competing, that you are going to be a center of excellence, a standard education in the which field? In the engineering field. You are going to be, your organization is going to be a center of excellence in engineering field. It means the field you have defined, standard you have mentioned here. What? Fostering the innovation, research and innovation, and ethical leadership for the sustainable future. So ethical leadership for the sustainable future. So it means the all the pillars what we have explained in previous, that pillar, scope, standard, and impact, it has been included in this particular vision statement. It means the field technical. What is the field? It is the engineering education. What is the standard? It is a globally recognized center of excellence is the standard. It is your standard of your organization, that you want to look your organization by 10-15 years, that my organization is globally recognized as a center of excellence. This is what the standard. What is the impact? It should be the social impact, ethical and leadership for the sustainable future. So all the pillars are required for drafting the visions. I have included, or you can include while drafting the vision of the statement. So this is what the vision of the statement. Now we'll see the what basically the mission, vision, mission. Actually, the mission statement or specific statement that provide a pathway to for the accomplishment of the vision. To achieve the vision, there are some steps. Some steps are there. Some milestones are there to achieve the vision. So basically, NBA state that mission statement state the broad approach to achieve the aspiration stated in the vision statement. Because your vision statement is what we imaginary. It is what the aspiration statement. To achieve that, to go to that particular goal, so you have to work on small things. Basically that is nothing but the mission statement. Actually the mission statement and vision statement is, if you have the difference, vision statement is what the destination and mission statement is the path. Okay, vision statement is the your destination and the mission statement is the path to achieve that destination. So the this is what the simple diagram for the how we can achieve the vision by means of the various mission statement. So basically the mission statement we can achieve it by means of we can write the mission statements are the intermediate milestone through which the institute achieve its vision. So mission 1, mission 2, mission 3, generally the mission, generally it is 3 to 4 mission statements are there, not more. Okay, so we have to draft the 3 to 4 statement as a mission statement, and accordingly you have to work. Some key characteristics of the mission statement. What are the characteristics for the mission statement? While we have discussed the various characteristics for the vision statement, how to frame the vision statement. Similarly, the characteristics while drafting the mission statement, a mission statement in OB must be action oriented, whereas vision is futuristic. It is an futuristic, where to achieve the futuristic, to achieve that particular destination, mission statement in the OB, it is action oriented. Use the criteria to evaluate them. Okay, so process focus, it describe how you will achieve the vision. Basically how you achieve the vision, it describe how you achieve the vision. Example, through modern tool, by means of some your infrastructure facility, by means of your industrial linkage, by means of innovation, by means of your industry institute interaction, by means of various research activities to be carried out. So you have to remember that it should be process and focus one. Okay, next, it is a comprehensive. It means it should cover the 3 main pillar for the while drafting the mission statement. So while drafting the mission statement, you have to focus on the academic, research and professionalism, ethics. So basically while drafting vision also, you have consider the academic excellence, research and professionalism. And while the drafting the mission, always you have to keep remember your vision, and based on the vision you have to drop the mission statement. And you have to again focus on the 3 main pillars: academic, research and the professionalism and ethics. And it should be stakeholder centric. It should mention who benefit. It means student, who benefit, student, industry, society, and it should be feasible. So these are some of the parameter while drafting the mission statement of your organization. Now see which are the 3 pillar while drafting the mission statement: academic excellence, then academic excellence, then research and ethics and professionalism. So academic excellence, what are the key characteristics of strong mission statement So what are the key word we can use while drafting the mission statement? Academic excellence, that is related with the teaching learning, because your vision is what? To become globally recognized excellence, to be globally recognized. Your institute should be globally recognized. It's your vision. So to achieve this particular vision, so in academic excellence, you have to use the keywords like to impart, to provide, innovative pedagogy, learner centric, holistic, interdisciplinary, state of the art. So these words you can use in your mission statement, because to achieve, the vision, or to as per the OB philosophy is concerned, we have to use these keywords while drafting the mission statement. Here some example: to impart the quality education through innovative pedagogy. It means how the to produce, how the quality education, this environment is created. So we have created the, this is our mission, to impart the quality education by means of through pedagogy. Impart quality education by means of uh, high class classroom. You can have, based on your strength, you can modify the statement. This is what the academic excellence. The next, research and innovations. So you have to consider the keywords: to foster, to encourage, create, collaborative research, incubation, intellectual entrepreneurship. So because here some of your stakeholder may be entrepreneur, so accordingly, because service to society, societal impact should be there in your vision statement. So you should incorporate these some keywords in your mission statement: to foster culture of collaborative research and creativity. So this is what, in this way we can write the statement of the mission statement. And the industry career ready, okay, industry readiness. So you can use the word like to bridge, skill based, competency, globally competitive. आवाज येतोय मॅडम? And value and ethics and society. These are some of the keywords: professional ethics, sustainable, environmental, lifelong learning, leadership, integrity. So this keyword you have to incorporate while framing your mission statement for the OB philosophy. Basically, why the vision and mission statements together play an important role. Which are the important role? Because to achieve the vision, mission, and basically these vision and missions communicate the purpose of organization to the stakeholder. By reading the vision mission of the organization, stakeholder come to know purpose of this particular organization, inform the strategy development, and develop the measurable goal and objective by which the success of the institute is planned. Now, these are some example of the mission statement. Okay, mission statement align with your these are the mission statement with the align with the vision statement: to provide a student with modern classroom, high tech modern classroom. Then another mission is to create, cultivate, where a student and faculty member work together to research and build new solution for real world application. Third PO, to mentor student to become honest, responsible leaders who can manage team with integrity. And fourth, to teach and practice engineering that protect environmental and helps society grow. If look into this, all the mission, it include the quality, it include the societal things, it include the ethical things. So all these keywords, it has been included in the statement of the in the mission statement, which are aligned with the vision statement. In NBA, in the criteria that you have to align the vision, mission, and PEOs. So therefore, while framing the vision mission, you should have some alignment. And while framing the vision mission of the institute department, you need to keep vision mission of the institute in your mind. Okay, so this is a simple diagram. Actually, vision mission, while drafting the vision mission of the department, you have to keep the vision mission of the institute in your mind, and vision mission of the department always align with the vision mission of the institute. So the the same thing I have mentioned here, the vision mission statement of the departments are actually from the vision, derived from the vision mission of the department. So till now we have discussed about the vision, various keywords used for the vision, and mission, how to frame the vision statement, how to frame the mission statement, how you can correlate the vision and mission in OBE philosophy. Now we'll discuss about the process of defining program educational objective, because in the first slide I already explained there is a top-down approach of POs, vision, mission, then program educational objectives, program outcomes, and the course outcome. This is an hierarchy. It is a top-down approach. So we can see now PEO, what are the characteristics, how we can frame the PEOs, program educational objectives. So after successful of this session, you can able to define the PEOs of the program, your program. Now what is the program educational objective? These are different from the program outcomes. The program outcomes, actually the program outcomes defined by the ABET, national or NBA, that are common to all programs. Here so therefore the POs, program educational objectives, are different. So basically the POs are measured after 3 to 4 years of after graduation. If your graduate, POs are the graduate attributes, whereas the POs, program educational objectives, are measured after 3 to 4 years of after graduation. So the program educational objectives are broad statement that describe the career and professional accomplishment that the program is preparing to graduate to achieve, and it can be measured after 3 to 4 years of graduation. So here are also while framing the PEOs, you have to keep some rules and regulation, some guidelines for defining the PEOs of the program. So while framing the PEOs of the program, stakeholder involvement should be there. All the stakeholders should be participated in the process of framing PEOs, that your alumni, industry, students, parents. So all stakeholders should be involved while framing the PEOs. Number of PEOs, it should be manageable. That is, NBA is prescribed the PEO 3 to 4. 3, sometimes you can write 3, 4, and maximum 5, or it should not be 3 or 6. So 3 to 5, based on your goal, you can define the PEOs, program educational objective. Now, what are the characteristics of the PEOs? PEOs should be based on the need of the stakeholder. PEOs should be achievable and by the program. PEOs should be specific to the program and not too broad. They should not be too narrow and similar to PEOs. Because PEOs are different, PEOs are different. Program educations are different, and PEOs are measured by graduate attributes, and PEOs are measured after the 3 to 5 years of the graduation. So, some characteristics, these are program specific. PEOs should be program specific, aligned with the mission. PEOs are aligned with the mission, not too broad. It is achievable, manageable. It should be published. Everybody know the PEOs. Okay, and in the NBA criteria 1, you have to map your program educational objective with the mission statement, with the substantial, okay, 3 steps. Okay, so accordingly, you have to frame the PEOs. Now, in simple, what is the PEO? SMART. SMRT. Okay, SMART. SMART, yes, means it should be the specific. It should be the specific, targeted at a particular program. Because suppose the department run the 2 programs, say MTech program and the UG program, program educational objectives are different. You have to define the PEOs for the PG and program education objectives for the UG. If the department run 2 UG program, you have to write the PEOs for 2 different programs because it is a specific. It is the program educational objectives. Run different program, different PEOs, you have to write it. So the meaning of SMART. What SMART? S means specific, targeted at the particular program, say civil engineering, computer engineering, electronic engineering, mechanical engineering. So for the these PEOs should be targeted to the particular program. PEOs should be measurable. It should be measurable. Throughout alumni, how we can measure the PEOs? Through alumni survey, employer feedback, okay, industry feedback. You can measure the PEOs. It should be achievable. It should be realistic. Okay, it should be realistic. It should be the PEOs should be achievable and measurable. It should be relevant. It should be relevant, aligned with the mission. Because in criteria, you have to map your PEOs with the vision, mission statement, and time bound. It focus 3 to 5 year after graduation windows. So immediately we cannot measure the PEOs. It can be measured after 3 to 4 year of the graduation. Typically, actually, PEO technical competencies, a graduate should be able to solve the complex engineering problem. Typical categories: technical competencies, career progression, professionalism, lifelong learning, and professional ethics. These are some of the categories while drafting the PEOs of your department. Now, it is a tough process designing the PEOs because PEO is to be measured after 3 to 4 years. It means, say, particular graduate, I want to see my graduate after 3 to 4 years. This is like imaginary that after 3 to 4 years, my graduated student will be there. He must have that much skill. And how we can measure? By means of the feedback from the stakeholder, from the industry, from the alumni. And you have to involve all the stakeholder while framing the PEOs. So there are brainstorming among the different level while framing the program educational objective. First level, promoter, administrator, and faculty. So what we can say, the internal stakeholder, we can have discussion, brainstorming, so that we can write your PEO statement. Second level, current students. And third level, employer, alumni, industry experts. So you have to do the brainstorming by taking the feedback from all these stakeholders to write the program educational objective. So PO should be based on the need of the stakeholder. PO should be achievable by the program. Now, development of the process of POs. Now, as I told you that brainstorming among level 1, 2, and 3. Level 1 is the promoter, management, internal stakeholder, current student, and level 3 is what? Your external stakeholder like alumni, industry person, employer. So, okay, so you have to do the brainstorming, and you have to keep the views of all the stakeholder and summarize their views and finalize your program educational objectives. And what is the next step? Once it is brainstorming is done, you have to draft your program educational objective. Lot of discussion is to be carried out in the department or in the organization, and then you have to take the approval from the appropriate body. For the university, for the Senate, BOG, Board of Governance, Academic Council. In the department, it is an Department Advisory Board. At the institute level, it is an IQAC cell, Academic Council cell. So, based on the organization structure, you have to take the approval from the appropriate body. And if there are some suggestion in the any stage, again you have to rethink on that particular, and you have to reframe the program education objective. And generally, review of the PEOs in every 5 to 7 years. There should have, there is a duration, there is a revision for the PEO. Every 5 to 7 years, you have to revise your PEOs. Okay, so development of the process of PEOs. Here, vision, you have to remember the vision of the institute, vision of the department, vision of the institute, department, SWOT analysis, your own limitation, your then employment opportunities, existing curriculum process. So all this aspect you have to consider while framing the program educational objectives. Now, let us see the some example of PEOs. Graduate will successful engineer who can solve the technical problem using the latest tool. The competency. What this is what the academic excellency. It means, okay, so if your students, your alumni, now they are working in good organization, they are handling the latest technology. It means that you have given some input during the education, so that now they are able to handle various tools, or they are working on the latest technology. What is the next PEO? To graduate will show steady career growth either by moving into the management or pursuing their higher study. It means some of your graduate may go to the go to the higher studies, or may work as a manager level in their organization. Graduate will lead team effectively while following high moral and professional standard. It means team leader qualities you are inculcated among the graduate. How we can measure if your graduated students are working in that capacity. Graduate will use their skill to develop eco-friendly technology and contribute to the better society. Societal issue. So it means your technical competency, then ethical value, research and development, these values you have incorporated through various courses run by you, while based on your curriculum design. If you are tier 1 institute, you have to design the curriculum such a way that we can write the PEOs that satisfy the expectation of the society. So this is what how the PEOs we can write. Now I'll just take some simple example, starting from the vision, then followed by the mission and PEOs, a particular vision statement. Now I have drafted one statement here. 1 minute. Now take an example. Now I already told you that we have to focus on the parameter like academic, research, professionalism. Whether vision is concerned, whether mission is concerned, always you have to focus on the academic. If that is a field, research and innovation, professionalism, that is a teamwork, and ethical values. So these 3 to 4 parameters, it should be included, it should be reflected in your vision, mission statement and PO statement. And actually here we can see how we can write the vision for one department, say electronics and telecommunication engineering department, keeping the goal, institute goal. What is the vision statement say? To be global center of excellence in electronics, telecommunication, nurturing innovative and socially responsible engineers for the welfare of society. If look into this particular vision, it include the standard global center of excellence field in electronics and telecommunication field, nurturing innovative research and innovation, and last one societal, socially responsible engineers for the welfare of society. Now whatever the expectation of outcome based education, we have consider all keywords while drafting the vision. To be a global center, I can again read to be a global center of excellence in electronics and telecommunication, nurturing innovative and socially responsible engineers for the welfare of the society. Here it includes the what we can say the standard, that is the global center of excellence in electronic telecommunication, the field, and the core, nurturing innovative, it means the core, and responsible engineers for the welfare of the society. So this is what the vision. Vision, it means what? Destination, where to go. Now what is the mission? Mission is how we can achieve this particular dream. Now, okay, your vision is the North Star, it is a dream. Now our destination, to achieve that particular vision, say the mission statement. So first mission statement, to provide the high quality learning environment with the focus on the modern electronics and telecommunication technology and hands-on skill. Actually, here what? Excellence. Now how we can correlate the center of excellence, global center of excellence. When the global center of excellence will be achieved, so we have to provide the high quality learning environment in your department. How we can provide the high quality learning environment? that we have to create such, use the various modern tools, and you have to give the facilitator, you have to provide the facility for the hands-on skill for the students. So to achieve this global excellence by means of this first mission. Now the second, to foster culture, research and creative that encourage students to develop innovative technical solution. So again, it is the academic excellence, motivating for the student to inculcating the innovative environment in the department or in the organization. What will be the third mission? To build leadership qualities and ethical values, preparing student to be socially responsible professional. Now societal leadership qualities, it has been included in this particular third mission statement. Aligned with this, we have framed the vision mission of the department. Okay, align with the vision mission of the department. See, what will be the program educational objective? What is the PEOs? It can be measured after 3 to 4 years. What in simple term, what we can say, it is the result. Now, how the result is to be measured? Now, how we can write for this PEOs? So, graduate will successful career in the electronic telecommunication industry, solving the complex technical problem. It means your graduated student must have capability to solve the complex technical problem. How it is possible? Because by means of the high technical knowledge, quality education you have provided to the graduate during the graduation. What will be the next PEOs? Graduate will show the professional progress through higher studies, certification, leadership role in the global organization. So here, professional, team member, team leadership skill, that has been included in most of the things in the curriculum. So it is now, it is a, if you are a tier 2 institute, it is difficult to have a leadership subject in the curriculum. So for that, you have to do some other activities in the department so that we can achieve this particular goal. Now, PEO 3, graduate will design and implement ethical sustainable technology that contribute to the welfare of the society. So in this way, we can draft the PEOs vision, mission. So while framing the vision, mission and PEOs, remember that you have to keep the documentary evidence to indicate the process involved while defining the PEOs, vision, mission. While if the committee is coming and committee is visiting for the accreditation purpose, the documentation is there. It means how many stakeholders involved while designing the vision, mission or PEOs. So you have to maintain the proof. If brainstorming sessions are there, so you have to maintain the record, minutes of meeting, photograph, and so that committee may come to know that yes, you have followed some process, and based on the process that you have finalized the vision, mission and PEO of the department. Here most important, while framing the all these important vision, mission and PEOs, stakeholder should be involved. It may be the internal stakeholder or external stakeholder. So this is what the my side. Thank you. If anybody having any questions, please let me know.
सर ब्रांच वाइज चेंज होतील ना PEOs?
Yes. Program wise, branch wise नहीं. हाँ, program. In the department, if two branch.
program course wise.
हाँ, course program wise. Suppose ANTC, there is a department and a department run the UG program, ANTC and PG program, say VLSI design technology. Program educational objectives are different. Two program, two PEOs are there.
I would like to thank Dr. Dhonde sir for sharing his valuable insights for the purpose on vision statement formatted by 3 pillars of drafting, and also the insights will be given on key characteristics of drafting the strong mission and explaining the example for the mission statements. Sir, Thank you for your expertise and time. Truly appreciated from us. And your enriching knowledge definitely the institute can imply for educational excellence. Thank you once again, sir.
Okay, thank you for giving an opportunity to share my views. Thank you.
Thank you.